Hello guys, welcome to Doen Thoughts. I'm really excited to meet you all again in a brand new episode. The response that we got for the previous video was awesome and thank you very much for that. And we are really pumped up to create a lot more videos and share our thoughts with you, and I hope you will be supporting us the same way you have been supporting us throughout. And with that said, let me just get started with this video. So obviously you would notice that I'm wearing a CSK jersey today, and you would assume that I would be talking about Suresh Raina's and Dhoni's retirement, but unfortunately I'm not going to be talking about that. I have a different topic in mind which I wanted to share today, so let me get started. So in this video, let's see how LinkedIn as a platform has been helping people. So if you have noticed my videos earlier, or if you have been following me on LinkedIn, you would have noticed that I've been talking about LinkedIn quite often these days. Why am I doing that? I've in fact turned out to be an evangelist for LinkedIn. So why am I actually doing that? The reason is I've been reaping a lot of benefit by staying active on LinkedIn and following certain procedures in LinkedIn. So what is that I'm doing? I'm doing something on LinkedIn as a platform that is actually helping me in my career. So I'm not going to bore you by making a very lengthy video sharing my entire experience as such, but I just really wanted to make a video and share 3 ways through which people can actually make the most out of the LinkedIn platform. Come, let's check it out one by one. So the first and the foremost thing is LinkedIn has got a lot of groups. Okay, it has got a plethora of groups, okay, specific to any industry or domain. So if you want to understand or learn about a specific domain, I would highly recommend you to go figure out the groups that are available in LinkedIn. Okay, which are the groups that are available, and people make use of these groups in LinkedIn to come together and discuss about the latest trends and topics related to that specific domain. So I would highly recommend you guys to go join any particular group of your choice, or any group that actually interests you the most. Join that group, start building a conversation, and you'll definitely learn about the specific domain. If you're not really sure of what kind of practices are being followed in that specific domain, these groups are like an excellent option to get started. Just go to LinkedIn, sign up for the LinkedIn account, go figure out the respective group and start interacting with people in the group. You get to meet a lot of people, right from the CEO to managers to everybody, the experts in the specific domain. But you get to meet them all, you can interact with them and get to know more about that role or the domain. So as you all know, LinkedIn is a job searching platform. Yes, LinkedIn is definitely a job searching platform, provided you make use of that effectively. So LinkedIn is a platform where you get to meet a lot of highly influential people. Okay, and the best thing about LinkedIn is you get to connect with all those influential people. Okay, so get connected with them. Just decide on the kind of role or company that you wish to land into and approach the right person, get connected with them, have a conversation with them. Instead of directly asking them for job opportunities right after connecting with them, try connecting with them, build a conversation, build a rapport with them, and then slowly start asking them for job opportunities. This will really make them, once you start building a rapport with them and then you ask for job opportunities, definitely the person whom you are connected to will feel like suggesting you or helping you out. Right from the word go, if you start talking about job opportunities, I don't think anybody would be interested in helping you out. So this is what I have experienced personally, and I'm sure you'll pretty much be able to land in your dream job soon. So LinkedIn is not just a job searching platform or a community platform where you get to join a lot of groups. Okay, apart from this, LinkedIn also has this excellent opportunity to get connected with mentors. It's really very difficult to find a mentor who actually guides you and helps you succeed in your career. Okay, and believe me, you will find a lot of very good mentors in LinkedIn, but it's just that you have to find the right person. So that will happen over the course of time, but you will definitely need to patiently stay in the hunt to figure out that mentor. Okay, so apart from mentor, I mean, mentor not necessarily needs to guide you with the career. Okay, I mean, let's assume that you are a college or a school pass out and you wish to join a college, like let's say if you want to join like IIT or IIM, and you want to get some advice about the course and the college to choose. In that case, you can get connected to those alumni and you can interact with them. You can talk to them, ask them for their suggestions, and even they can turn out to be your mentors. So I have personally had this very good experience where I met one person named Ramesh, as you all know, and we started interacting, started talking. Since we were in the pretty much a similar domain, we started talking about a lot of things, and eventually he turned out to be a mentor for me, and he started guiding me in the right direction. Even trust me, I was in a position where I did not know what to do next, but that's when I started being active on this social media or LinkedIn platform, and I was lucky enough to get a person like Ramesh who could mentor me, who could guide me in the right direction and help me with my career. So if I was able to get this kind of an opportunity, I'm pretty much sure that anyone on this platform who are making the best use of it will definitely be able to find the right mentor. I hope the ways that I've suggested in this video to make the most out of this LinkedIn platform was helpful to you guys, and please try implementing it and see if it helps you. If you have any feedback for us, please do drop that in the comment section. We're always open to constructive criticism, as I always say. And don't forget to spread the word. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to our channel as well. And we are not going to stop just here, and we are making one other episode explaining how to build a solid LinkedIn profile. So let's see that in the next episode. Until then, bye bye, tata, take care and stay safe.